Hello, guys. Hello, hello, hello. How's your weekend? How's your holiday? Hello. Hello, guys. Here we go. Hello. Hello, guys. Okay, looks like I just already tested equilibrium of Friday range, which is, by the way, 15 weeks in a row. Waiting for this move, possible move on NQ still. How can I make it bigger, I guess? Yeah, like this. Perfect. I got lured. Yeah, much better. Like this. So I can remove it. Yeah, much better. Well, perfect move on yes and Q this night. Kind of predictable, I would say. My analysis said, yeah, I can see at 6 p.m. I guess. What time I wrote this actually? Let me check this. I don't remember exact time. Yeah, 7 at 7. I posted my analysis at 7 p.m. So I saw SMT between yes and NQ this highs. I was like, okay, if it wants to drop on Sunday, this means we need to get momentum. We never got this momentum. This means most likely it will go higher once again. So once again, it went higher. But what happened right here? I can see some sort of SMT right now. And Q is way above weekly open. Yes, kind of stuck right there. So I would say, yeah, equal highs taken. I would say if NQ wants to take previous week high level, kind of no interest in longs above this level. So I would say I would like to look for short. If it wants to break above previous week high level, I would like to look for short. Somewhere right here. And aim for New York midnight open. Right here. Then equilibrium Friday range. What can happen on yes? Actually, I said I don't want to see short from weekly open, but preferable to take all-time high and then move down to New York midnight open as well. Since equilibrium Friday range taken already on ES, London low never was taken on ES while NQ took this level. I will aim for London low. Kind of hard for me to long right now. Yeah, I would like to look for potential short. It's the very first day after bank holiday, so we got short week last week. So don't want to predict something. I'm not going to chase anything. So if I can see a plus setup, I'm going to take it. So far, just trying to read the tape, nothing more. All I want to say, I'm not interested in longs right now. Kind of, yeah. If it wants to take previous week high level, I don't mind to see lower right after this. Yeah, you want to aim for previous week high level, that's fine. Okay. Something went wrong with Discord. Okay. That's strange. Okay. Let me read the chat. Don't forget, don't read the chat. Exactly. Okay. Previous week high target. Yeah, kind of agree with you. So, and honestly, no interest in longs above previous week high level, at least for now. Would like to look for potential short. Ideally between 9:30 and 9:45 a.m. Okay, your book will deliver. Okay, you ordered my book. That's nice. That's nice. Looking Slumi is better than. Oh my God! Stop asking these questions. Two absolutely different traders. We have news at 10. Also, if not mistaken, we have news at 9:45 a.m. Right? Let me make sure. Yeah, it's going to be medium impact news. So yeah, orange folder news. Yeah, let's see. Once again, I'm not going to predict bias for today. I'm not going to chase any moves. Only going to trade A plus setup. That's it. So honestly, kind of, I don't see the reason to trade after short week, after bank holiday. Or once again, it doesn't mean like it's going to be range, right? It just like be careful. But I will execute if it's going to be A plus setup. That's all I know. That's all I know. Yeah, lots of consolidation around New York midnight open on NQ. I don't want to see tracement down to New York midnight open, but the question when it's going to happen. It's going to happen before market open. I mean, setup is going to form before market open, or is it going to push us higher than the trace down? Ideally, honestly, would like to see a 15-minute bearish inversion fair value gap, but I guess I'm asking too much. I'm going to miss lots of points right here, this 15-minute inversion. What is A plus setup? Good question. So in my opinion, best setup is going to be 15-minute bearish inversion fair value gap is going to be confirmed. Short, in my opinion. What about stat map? Okay, we are above 4-hour bearish manipulation and almost took 4-hour bullish distribution. Okay, if 15-minute inversion is too much, maybe for Monday, I guess 5 minutes will be enough. Or 5-minute OB will be enough for me. Too short. Yeah, that's it. So far we have SMT, but you know, we have SMT since I guess Friday or Thursday. It's still going higher. Okay, I'm going to wait for 15-minute bearish inversion or 5-minute OB plus 5-minute inversion. Too short. As I said, kind of hard for me to long right now, especially if it wants to break above previous week high level. It's going to be hard for me to long. But at this moment, I cannot see a real reason to long as well. But we will see soon. We will see. Right? Yeah, I'm totally fine with 15-minute bearish inversion if you're asking about bearish inversion fair value gap. Hey, Limi, today you look different. Why? I don't know. Maybe that's because dark short right here. I don't know. Nothing changed. But at this moment, kind of hard to say I see any signs of reversal, especially on 5-minute chart. We'll see. My steams usually starts at 9:10, so you actually not late. Don't worry about this. 9:10, sometimes a little bit early, but around like 9:10. Yes, that's a great question. What about fractal model right here based on T-trait indicator? Yeah, it's totally fine, but my recommendation for you, if you use this indicator, just go to settings right here and adjust your fractal model to this 1 hour sweep, 5-minute model. Then you can switch on 1 minute chart, and if you can see 1 minute bearish inversion or bullish inversion, depends on the structure, I recommend to take this inversion. So I don't like to, I mean, totally fine, nothing wrong with 15-minute sweep and 1 minute structure to short or long. But in my opinion, this one give us higher win rate. If you want to use, once again, 1 hour sweep and 5-minute structure. But sometimes it's hard to say. For example, we can see, okay, 5-minute bullish structure offered. Okay, where do I need to enter? I'm on 5-minute chart. I recommend to switch on 1 minute chart and look for entry right there. So let's see if you got any inversion. Nothing. So I would not take this trade. Most likely, yeah, I miss this trade. Just I backtested this this idea with 1 hour sweep, 5-minute structure, for example, bullish structure right here, and 1 minute entry. In my opinion, best entry is going to be inversion for your value gap. Once again, if you want to use 1 hour sweep, 5-minute structure. If, for example, you would like to use, let's say, 15-minute sweep and 1 minute structure, just use very first 1 minute OB. Don't use inversions. Yeah, I would miss this trade. It's 9:25, so interesting candle in 1 minute chart. I will see. So I'm going to stay in 5-minute chart right now. Both yes and Q if you want to use a stat map. If I want to use stat map, I would like to show you something. And okay, almost reach 4-hour distribution and daily manipulation level, and we're already above 4-hour manipulation both yes and NQ. So if, for example, I would like to trade 4-hour levels, you don't need to wait for 15-minute confirmation. I would say 2-minute, 5-minute will be enough. Confirmation will be also inversion. So with stat map and fractal model, if you would like to trade something from this, I would like to use inversion for your value gaps. In my opinion, inversion for your value gaps is the best setup to trade these levels. Maybe you found something different, but for me, usually I execute based on an inversion for your value gaps. So my accent is actually a Russian accent. Yeah. So today I would like to keep fractal model indicator on my chart. Especially I would like to keep these settings on my chart. I will not put these settings, only 5-minute and 1-hour sweep. We will see. Okay, guys, before market open, let's hit the like button. So hope to get perfect price action. So like for expansion today. Like for expansion today. So would you short this equal lows looks absolutely amazing for me. Kind of strange to see that they failed to take this level yesterday, especially between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. Honestly, expected to get this move, and I would say we were pretty close. It's somewhere right here. Yeah, kind of strange, right? Let's highlight this level, by the way. Equal lows. Yeah, I use this fractal model indicator for 10 days, I would say. Yeah, like it. We are going to test this indicator today together, especially once again, if you just joined, I'm going to test this. Forward test this idea, 1 hour sleep, 5 minutes structure, and inch is going to be based on 1 minute inversion. So we will see. My plan for now is just look for potential move higher to take previous week high on NQ and all-time high on ES, and then I would like to wait for potential short opportunity. Just my plan for now. Definitely we have SMT, but kind of, hard to try this. What is T-spot? I'm going to talk about this today. One setup is going to present itself, okay? I will show you what T-spot means. So market is not yet, by the way, 40 seconds left. Finally trying to give us momentum from weekly open on ES. Yeah, let's see if all-time high can be taken. And previous week high can be taken on NQ. You're trying to find short setup. My recommendation is to try to stay away from taking any trades before market open, especially when we're like 15 seconds away. Okay. You said 2.5 standard deviation. You measured from here to here. Let me check this out. Yep. Look how first standard deviation lines up with previous week high level. Okay, guys, market is open. Once again, at this moment, only shorts is what I would like to take today. Especially, I see ES run equilibrium Friday range in Q failed. Let's wait for possible move higher and then short it up. Turtle stop kind of risky, especially on Monday. I would say 5-minute inversion. Yeah, you're going to maybe miss something. Maybe 2 minutes will be enough for us. We will see. So hard to say about setup to short yet. Okay, we will see. We are going to talk about this. I don't know yet. All-time high is about... Okay, we took all-time high. Still below 4 standard deviation. Let's wait for previous week high. No reason, to not take this level right now. Failed. Oh, okay, we run this for... I can delete this. We just run this for standard deviation. Waiting for previous week high level taken, and then I will wait for potential short opportunity. Or I'm going to open 2-minute chart on my side screen because 2-minute my offer inversion. Oh, such a huge candle, up close candle. Okay. Rule number 5: do not chase price. I would say that's rule number 1. Okay, all-time high taken. Previous week high taken. As I said, kind of hard for me to long above previous week high level, but we will see. Strong move up right here. You did not miss anything, so market just opened, don't worry. Kind of look at this break above previous week high level, but I cannot see a strong break above all-time high yet. Like this. Something wrong with my indicators today. Why it takes so much time to load them? That's strange. Anyway. Honestly, yesterday I posted my weekly analysis and I said this major buy side liquidity is going to be my weekly target. Come on, NQ, let's teach my weekly target on Monday. Why not? That's why not. Did you take any trades? They're absolutely zero trades. Nothing taken today. Absolutely nothing. That's strange. Okay. Let's see stat map levels for our levels right here. For some reason, I cannot open this indicator. That's strange. Okay, let me try to change settings right here. Something wrong with TradingView, I guess, today. It takes so much time to load indicators. Well, I don't care. Oh, finally. Okay. We just reached a 4-hour distribution level right here. About to reach daily manipulation level. I would say, yeah, we'll wait for possible move right here, which means 606, yeah, 64.05 right here, yeah? What's the price? Oh, 64 point, yeah, 50, exactly. So right here, somewhere right here. Try to see. Let me set this line right here and daily manipulation. Yeah, something like this. What about NQ? NQ is way above daily manipulation level. Daily distribution level ends up with major buy side liquidity. Okay. Still going higher, so it's time to reach my weekly target on Monday. First 5 minutes. That's great. That's a great idea, NQ. Just why not? Extremely bullish right now. Okay, still waiting. That's kind of interesting to see how ES trying to react from all-time high, but NQ keep going higher. Yeah, we have news at 10. We have news at 9:45. No, I'm not in a rush. I'm not going to chase. That's all I know. I'm going to wait for A+ setup. Then I will trade something. As I said before, it's kind of hard for me to long above previous week high level because we have retracement area right here based on 1 hour manipulation leg. So basically this is a range between 2 and 2.5 standard deviation from like 3 weeks ago. Yeah. Let's see, maybe I just like this momentum on ES. Let me see. If it wants to create OB, let me calculate. Let me switch on ES. Maybe we will take trades on ES. Not on trade, so just trying to calculate the risk. Oops. We just got this closure. I'm not on trade yet. I'm just trying to see how we can react from this OB. What else? I'm not on trade, guys. I'm not this trade, so kind of like it. Okay, let's see. If we may get reaction from this OB, maybe I will try this. Not on trade. Absolutely nothing on NQ yet. So how many contracts? I like this reaction. Okay, mate. Okay, give me 1 second. I'm not at this trade. Just like this idea. Maybe it may create inversion, just another confirmation. Basically, we can get 1 minute OB and we can get inversion. Okay, let's see. To take it. Not on trade, guys. Okay, it created an inversion right here, and this OB. We don't have OB right here, by the way. Absolutely zero signs even on 1 minute chart. That's so annoying when the NQ doesn't want to offer any confirmation for move lower. No trades yet. Switching back on NQ. No trade, guys. Would like to forward as this. Kind of don't like how it's trying to move right now. Especially NQ doesn't want to offer any confirmation. No trade. Actually, my bias is bullish to take all-time high on ES and previous week high on NQ. It's pretty much done with my levels. Minor SMT right here, but tells me nothing yet. News in 4 minutes. Less than 4 minutes, 3 minutes left. 1 minute right here. I'm going to wait more. Like the short on ES. Normal days I would take this. Let's see, maybe I will take this on NQ. Let me see if it may create OB. Ideal is this. Guys, ideal is this, but let's see. Needs to see OB. I mean, yes, I do consider macro. I'm just want to careful with this short right now on NQ. I need to see OB formation. So at least to see possible attempt to be in sync with AS. Okay, I'm going to remove this. It's not short idea yet because we don't have OB. We don't have OB. Are you serious? And yes, I like this idea, honestly. Once again, normal days, I would take this. Let's see, maybe I will take in Q trade. M and Q trade. Yes, since we have news at 10 a.m., it's maybe okay to take trades before 10 a.m. as well. I would like to see at least equal lows on ES. But on NQ, hard to say. I don't trade high impact news. I'm not in trade right now. I'm just waiting right now, and that's it. Trying to forward this trade. If it makes sense, guys. We got the closure, by the way. We have news in 1 minute. Not ready to call this low risk sell, honestly. It's already 22 points, 23 points. But right here, it was like less than 3 points stop loss. So let's see. Uh, 6 seconds left. 6 seconds left. 1 second left. And the test of this OB right now. We just need this 2 and 2.5 standard deviation range. Yes, we have news at 10 a.m. Right now, we got news, orange folder news. Still can expect some volatility. I'm not on trade who just joined. I'm just trying to forward test this trade on a yes. I'm not in any trades. If you would like to have just a high time frame candles, you can just type high time frame candles and candles. And I recommend to use this indicator. Then you can adjust any time frame that you like. Right here I have 1 hour candles. So I'm going to wait. No trades taken. Let me open 5-minute chart. We got this the action from this 5-minute fair value gap so far. Minor sweep right here on 5-minute chart. Oops. Cannot see A plus setups. As I said before, I'm going to take only A plus trades. Also, with this move up right here, it looks like NQ tested old 15-minute inversion fair value gap. I would say exactly 50% of old 15-minute inversion. So basically, this indicator is this fractal model indicator. T-trades fractal model indicator. Exactly. We got 15 minutes sweep. For example, you want to switch on 1 minute chart and you can use 1 minute OB to enter the long trade or short trade, depends on the sweep. Yeah, that's right logic. Still not in sync. NQ keep going higher. Yes, kind of stuck right now, this inversion. So absolutely nothing for me to take. Just my recommendation for stop chasing the market right now. If you're trying to short or long, just wait for A plus setup. Slowly trying to go higher. Maybe it wants to take this major buy side liquidity. Yes, sweep right here so far. At 50% of this retracement area right here. Once again, this retracement area based on 1 hour manipulation leg. Basically, the range between 2 and 2.5 standard deviations. Inside this range, we have this area, we have major buy side liquidity. If not mistaken, that's old London high from maybe like months ago. Exactly 50% of this area tested right here. Still inside bearish 15-minute inversion. What about PD raise? Looks like 4-hour propulsion block. Yeah, inside 4-hour propulsion block. It's not in sync. That's annoying. That's so annoying. But looks like he is still trying to hold this inversion, and this will be okay. Let's see. Looking for MNQ right now. Reaction from 50% of this retracement area if OB formed. We can try to short, I guess. These two candles as OB because this can be potential 2-minute change in the state of delivery. I don't want to blend this, just trust 1-minute confirmation. No, 2-minute at least. I like that we got two candles right here, which can be 2-minute OB for us, right? I would say yes needs to take equal lows at least. That's like first TP, and second TP is going to be this sell side liquidity. Okay, patience. No reason to chase right now. We have high impact news exactly in 7 minutes. A little bit more than 7 minutes. You said we got 1 hour sweep. Yeah, we got hourly sweep on ES. Buy side liquidity sweep. Still not in sync at all. Funny to see how he's trying to go down, and I would say kind of perfect move down based on this OB plus inversion fair value gap after hourly sweep. But NQ said like, no, let's continue going higher. Just like, why not? Less than 30 points away from major buy side liquidity on NQ. Funny to see, it's like exactly what I said yesterday. That's going to be my weekly object. This major buy side liquidity. Yeah, why not? Monday. What we are going to do the rest of the week? No plan. Yes, too close to weekly open, so basically to new week opening gap. I like this equal lows so bad, and this sell stops right below this equal lows. You asked me about 5-minute change in the state of... I would say 2 minutes will be enough for me to consider potential move lower. So yeah, we will see. Come on, yes, just give us momentum to this equal lows. That's pretty much it. We don't ask for more. Unfortunately, yeah, you said like why price so bullish, but in my opinion, just like out of sync right now. I don't want to see on yes lower while NQ keep going higher with zero confirmation for move lower. That's so annoying. Yeah, I agree with you, so just be careful. Because usually when I'm trying to trade NQ, I try to use ES for confirmation. So when I analyze the NQ for any trade, I need to see how ES reacts from levels. For example, from all-time high, from inversions, and that's it, and so on. So pretty much, if just looking on ES, I would like to see lower, and I don't mind to see lower on NQ at this point, but just looking on NQ chart, and it says like, Dasha, where you want to short from? Like, from where? And I'm like, I don't know. I don't know. But I'm waiting for short on NQ right now, so I would say just waiting for 2-minute OB, because we maybe, okay, we have inversion right here, right? Inversion, 1-minute inversion plus 2-minute OB is going to be solid confirmation, as I would say. So let's see. Three minutes left. I don't know what news is going to offer us, guys. I don't know. I cannot see the future. Would like to highlight this fair value gap right here as potential inversion, because that can be sign for me to potential short opportunity. And which candle? Would like to highlight this low as potential OB. So we will look for potential short from there. Well, use your crystal ball, guys. Guys. Look what I got. Market makers send me this crystal ball. They said, if you don't know where market wants to go, just use this. Now pretend you didn't see that. So they asked me to not show this to anyone. So Just shh, guys. Shh. Don't tell this to anyone. That's our secret. You got same crystal ball from Apex. Okay. Okay, news in 1 minute. 90 seconds left. Let's wait for this closure. Just don't tell this anyone, so. Yeah, I'm prepared, guys. Okay, 1 minute left. I did not enter the short. We just trying to forward this. Looking for short on queue right now. So actually we need to be in sync. 30 seconds left. Just be careful, guys. News in 30 seconds. Because honestly, if it wants to present a short opportunity, I would like to aim for weekly open on NQ. 30 seconds left. And news came out. Let's highlight this low, this high right here. Not trades yet. Absolutely nothing taken. Failed to offer OB. Still not in sync, so yeah. We got major buy side liquidity right here. So basically, with this move up, we were 12 points away. Come on, 12 points away. Extremely bullish on NQ. We got failure swing right here, so okay. Guys, just don't chase the move right now. Wait for setup to trade. I'd like to highlight this low. Because, for example, if it wants to fail to take this major buy side liquidity with 1 minute closure below this blue line, so actually it may try to drop. Something like this. I'm not on trade, guys. I'm just trying to forward test this short on a yes. Like from what time? Like from 9:38. Just we're trying to forward test this. Waiting for a yes NQ trade. So that's pretty much it right now. Hello, hello. I would say only yes, this setup that we're trying to forward test right here was, I would say it was a perfect setup. All I didn't like about this in Q. In Q was extremely bullish, while ES said like, it's kind of not bad setup to trade short, but NQ said, I would like to go higher. For example, to take this major buy side liquidity. And like, okay. Hello guys, hello. Come on, NQ, just any signs of reversal. Just any signs of reversal. Why I'm asking for this reversal? Because look at ES. How ES trying to hold this inversion in this OB. That's crazy. How many points we're away right now? Oops, from here to here. 9 points away. 9 points away from major buy side liquidity. Hello, hello. Sequence of these candles can be OB. Obviously not right now. Yeah, yes, so far trying to hold this inversion, and I would say yes, trying to hold new week opening gap, especially weekly open. What happened on YM? Let me check. YM offered absolutely amazing move down, exactly what NQ had to do, honestly. YM needs to go lower still. YM needs to go to this equal lows. Right here. Still need to go low. By the way, let me set alert. Oh. Of course. Come on, Dasha. YM absolutely amazing move down as well. Only in Q tells me like, I don't want to go lower. I mean, YM, okay, YM moved lower. Yes, needs to go lower as well, but in Q, like, I don't want to go lower. Not chase today yet. For me as well. I'm waiting for confirmation on NQ. Just let's try to find the logic with this move up. In order to go down, we need to go up first, right? We need to go up where? To liquidity level. Where is liquidity level? This liquidity, for example. So just talking about ES, for example, we run liquidity level, so nothing wrong with this. But talking about NQ, not really yet. So yeah, on NQ, kind of makes sense. Maybe it wants to take this major buy side liquidity before moving lower. I'm waiting for reversal. That's all I know. As I said at the beginning of stream, I'm not going too long. It just was kind of hard for me to try this. But it's okay, we will see. Yeah, pretty much it drives right here, yeah. I don't really hate trend days. Just sometimes it's hard to engage. YM still needs to go lower, as you can see our alert still active. Just give me any signs of reversal, I will take it. Sometimes I feel like, I feel like I really would like to see lower, because YM is going lower. Everything tells me like we need to go lower. But any signs of reversal? Once again, maybe it wants to run right here with reversal, because we got major buy side liquidity right here. And it's still a retracement area, because next level is only all-time high. We are far away from this level. How big potential move from this major buy side liquidity back to previous week high level? 100 points. 100 points, which is not bad. Look at ES. ES still trying to hold this inversion. Just be careful with shorts. Pretty much bullish right now on NQ. Waiting for the closure below this blue line. Sequence of candles can be OB, potential OB. Let me check the XY. The XY pretty similar to NQ, by the way, which is crazy. 5-minute chart. Even looking at the XY, I would like to see slightly higher still. What's wrong with NQ at this point? Let me check CL. Would like to see CL lower. I would like to see CL lower. Another like 40-50 cents lower. But nothing to take yet. Not sure it's taken, guys, today yet. I mean, you asked me about NQZ. I actually trade NQZ chart, but it's like for charting only, because I have more data on just on NQ chart. If you open daily chart, for example, on NQZ, you will not find lots of data there. Three points away from major buy side liquidity. Okay, we finally run this. Nothing taken today. See how And Q actually never even offered fake short opportunity. It always was bullish. That's so interesting. Okay, let's try to find another manipulation legs. Okay, this first division taken. This one is too big in my opinion. Not from here to here. Okay. Interesting. If I want to measure entire this consolidation, first deviation right at all-time high. But right now we're in this range. Basically, we call this also retracement range. Let me a little bit adjust this. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay. Keep going higher. YM still failed to take equal lows. Still can go lower. The question when. That's why I said I'm not going to chase. I'm going to wait for A+++ setup. So it's Monday. We still have like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. No need to rush, especially on Monday after bank holiday, after we got short week last week. we will get our stuff. Not today, but tomorrow. Maybe PM session will offer something. We don't know. We will see. But once again, I like how NQ never even offered fake short opportunity for us. This means it was bullish and it was kind of hard to short it. Because from where? No setup for this. So far, kind of stuck at this major buy side liquidity level. I don't see PM session. Because normally it's pretty much slow price action, lots of consolidation. Even if you can see setup at in PM session, it's always so slow. It takes so much time to deliver the price. For example, if I can see setup, let's say at 1 p.m., most likely it's going to deliver us like by 3:50, which is too long. I hate to actually see it like in trade more than 5-10 minutes, honestly. You shorted in Q? Let's be careful right now. As I said, on NQ, I saw zero chance to short. I mean, first chance could be this inversion plus this OB, but as you can see, it never ever offered OB, which was immediate invalidation. And that's nice, actually. Right here, it failed to offer OB as well. Just continue going higher, even like failed to take this level. Finally, run this major buy side liquidity and stuck so far. But even with this reaction, so far, no any signs of reversal. That's why just guys, don't chase the move. It's Monday once again. You will get your chance. We always have tomorrow. I don't mind to see New York midnight open today, but once again, I need to see solid confirmation for this. or at least confirmation. Watching 2-minute chart. 2-minute OB will be enough. By the way, okay, look at this, that map right here. This green line right here is daily distribution level. We just reached daily distribution level, which is okay. I will use 2-minute chart to look for short. All I need is 2-minute OB to short. Or break below this level to short. We'll try to trade 8 micros. Stop loss is, yeah, 8 micros is acceptable. Because if it may create 2-minute OB, I will aim for, where is my, oops, hard to see this. For the sell side liquidity once again. Actually form 2-minute OB, looking for potential move lower. Hard to say where I would like to enter. This 2-minute OB. Yeah, let's see. You already broke below this level. 3 seconds left. Not in trade yet, guys. I would aim for this sell side liquidity. Just waiting for entry point. I'm not in trade, guys. I just got the first sign of reversal. Once, for example, if it wants to sweep this level, not I don't want to see the closure. I will aim for the sell stops. What time it is? Still 9 more minutes for the new 15-minute candle, which is so long to. It's too long to wait for this level. If it wants to, for example, present 15-minute sweep and 1-minute structure. For now, it cannot be twin step because we don't have 5-minute OB for this. Actually, I'm from Belarus, but I live in the US. The small fair value gap right here. I don't trade, guys. For example, in my opinion, just it's not trade idea yet because we don't have any signs for this yet. If it wants to sweep right here, but just sweep, I don't want to see the closure of 1-minute candle above this black line. I feel like it's going to be idea, but once again, we don't need to see the closure. All we need, because this closure may offer another OB, right? Right here. But if it wants to be just sweep, nothing more. This can offer continuation lower. That's the idea. Look at ES, by the way. I mean, it's even hard to imagine I'm sitting this straight and just like up and down, 5 points up, 5 points down. That's so hard for me to sit in this straight and wait for this and see this consolidation. Honestly, why I would like to see lower, it doesn't mean like it should happen. Look at ES. ES already tested new week opening gap, which is absolutely amazing. But with this move down on ES, NQ keep going higher. So with this move up on NQ, we took this major buy side liquidity, and right now we're inside this retracement area. So absolutely nothing right now to short. But all I want to see at this point, the test of this sell side liquidity, if it may create short opportunity for us, and then a weekly open. But right now, absolutely nothing to short, in my opinion. I just hate to trade against the trend, and we actually need to get solid confirmation of reversal. So very first key level right now is this major buy side liquidity, and yes, we can anticipate potential smart money reversal from here, but it doesn't mean like we need to short immediately, right? No. YM still above equal lows. Still nothing to trade. So that's the next buy side liquidity. Let me change the color. So buy side liquidity right here. See, sweep once again. Once again, it failed to close below this level. Just lots of sweeps, which tells me like it doesn't want to go lower yet. This is obvious to me not bearish for a value gap limit. Okay, if it's obvious for you, you can take the short. It's not obvious for me yet. Yet. Nothing for me yet. Are you going live tomorrow? Yes. Yes. Who just joined? I did not take any trades today yet. So with this move above this black line, it offered valid low formation. So usually if it offered valid low formation, so this means that it may try to create a new. I am not going to short right now, if you ask me. No shorts yet. Since it created valid low formation right here with or OB, just like regular name OB, and we have pretty much bullish trend right here. With this OB right here, it should try to create a new breakout structure, right? Breakout structure right here. With this breakout structure, this means in order to be this as breakout structure, we need to get the closure or break above this with closure above this. Sweep will not offer breakout structure. So basically we got breakout structure right here, retracement down to discount, then continuation higher. formation of, was this continuation higher? Formation of OB right here. This means it may try to create another breakout structure. By the way, let me change the color for breakout structure. Let's create blue. It may create another breakout structure right here, but once again, sweep will not be breakout structure. It's going to be sweep for potential move lower. But if it's going to be solid break above this, with closure above this blue line, which, by the way, new high and potential breakout structure, it may continue going higher. This gray box right here is potential, just like highlighted, if it wants to be, for example, second stage of reaccumulation to deliver us to this buy side liquidity level. This means it can be distortion right here with inversion fair value gap formation. I'm not going to shorten Q right now. But I'm not going to long as well. Once again, if it wants to be second stage, we need to have distortion setup. Distortion setup will be inversion. You said we have twin setup. It's kind of similar to twin setup, but the problem is that we don't have 5-minute OB. Use magnets. It's still too early for magnets. For twin setup, we must have 5-minute OB, 1-minute imbalances inside this OB, OT, and then 1-minute order block to enter the trade. Unfortunately, maybe, yeah, we have 2-minute imbalances, we have OT, but the problem is that we don't have 5-minute OB. That's pretty much it. Looks like for 5-minute order block you use body, right? But I recommend to use no, it's not really OB. I recommend to use entire candle. So you want to wait for the closure below the low of this candle to consider this as OB. On 15-minute chart, we got minor sweep right here. Minor sweep right here. But pretty much, pretty much bullish right now. No trades taken, guys, who just joined. 0 trades. Just not going to trade against the trend on NQ. We got breakout structure, we got breakout structure right here, and we expect to get possible new one. Or what can be invalidation for me? Valid high formation. This means with this move up, once we retrace back to discount OB right here after this breakout structure, and yes, it created a valid low or OB. Usually to try to create another breakout structure, I mean break above this blue line. But for example, it wants to be invalidation. If it wants to be reversal, you must wait for valid high formation or another OB. Or you want to wait for the closure above this level, which offer breakout structure, retracement back to discount OB, which will be once again right here. Maybe this liquidity level will be taken, that's fine as well. And then continuation higher once again. So for now, I would say potential valid high will be these two candles. Why I don't want to long? Honestly, it's okay to long. Just for me, it's kind of hard to engage because I feel like I'm always trying to enter at the top. So that's always so tricky because if, for example, we miss the original entry, for let's say at the bottom, it's always hard for me to engage right after this. We got inversion right here, which can be potential distortion setup. How many points we are away from buy stops? 70 points away. As I said, I'm not going to chase. And I feel like if I want to continue longing from this, for example, inversion, I feel like kind of I'm going to chase. But I don't have any FOMO right now, just totally fine. What is that buy stops? Let me tell you exactly what this buy stops means. That's the high from November 13. It was formed at 2 p.m. Do you use MMF? What does it mean? Oh, my funded features. Yes, I do use them. So we got almost got break of structure to upside right here. So far sweep, but once again, if it wants to be for example, the tracement lower to the sell side liquidity, which is right here, it must create OB. It's pretty much bullish right now. By the way, my funded features running sale right now. It's 25% off on expired plans. I have expired plans as well, so absolutely amazing in my opinion. You lost. What do you mean? I took 0 trades. So far sweep once again right here. Yeah, no FOMO, guys. Try to not chase any moves. Failed to offer this OB right here. at least to anticipate potential move lower. Well, why didn't I take this setup on ES? I explained already. I did not take this setup on ES because NQ was bullish. I said I'm going to forward as this trade, and that's it. That's all I did. No trades taken. Yeah, no trades taken. Hello. We just forward as this. And as it is this of this all-time high on ES. Let me see what is going on 2-minute chart. I cannot see any re-entry point right here yet. I will keep my eyes on the equal lows, maybe later. MNQ. Break of structure, break of structure. We got another new high right here, but it's not a break of structure. If we can get the closure above this blue line, it's going to be a break of structure. Not from here, but still from here. Still kind of stuck at this major buy side liquidity. Once again, that's old London low, London high from like 1 month ago. Why I decided to keep this level on my chart? Because ES took this level and we got SMT between ES and NQ. So I decided to keep this level on NQ. Just name this as major buy side liquidity. Looks like NQ just tested 4-hour manipulation. This pink line is 4-hour manipulation right here. What about ES? ES still below this level. Yeah, at least if it wants to offer retracement from somewhere from here, 4-hour open will be first TP. Not right now, obviously, just in the future. I'm trading from US. I'm in Florida right now. Also funny to say about ES, when we, for example, make a new all-time high, it's always hard to find any levels higher, right? because we must use only projection since that's pretty much it. So my first level right here is going to be daily manipulation, and if not mistaken, my next projection, I highlighted this yesterday. Okay, deleted looks like. And first standard deviation is going to be right here, based on 1 hour manipulation lag. Still no break of structure right here. I will highlight this fair value gap. I'm going to remove this. Most likely will trade ES. Not right now, not at this specific moment, just like to switch on ES. I feel like it's going to be less risk. There's bearish sign on based on 15 minute sweep. By the way, this also looks good. Based on this sweep, if it may create OB, another OB for us, it's going to be entry for based on 1 hour for 1 minute fractal model. Okay, I'm going to keep my eyes right now at a potential OB on NQ or set up on ES. MNQ. MNQ looks better right now, honestly. Not trades yet. Let me calculate potential risk on ES. It's still 2 points. But preferable to see OB on NQ to enter the trade. Not sure what I would like to trade, honestly. MNQ looks good. Based on 1 minute fractal setup. ES already created OB. But less risk on ES. Let's see if we may hold this. Maybe I will try this trade for 10 points. It's a yes, right? It just hard for me. YM. You mean that huge sale? I'm not on trade, guys, yet. Nothing to take yet. I would not call this trade idea yet. I would like to see the tracement, maybe to this fair value gap, and then if it may offer the action, then it's going to be trade idea. Oh, you cannot see this. I'm so sorry, guys. I mean, retest of this OB, then continue slow. I thought, guys. Are you in? I just show you my my chart, not yet. Looking for a yes potential short. Or maybe in Q may create OB. I will take in Q. Who is going to be first? Who is going to be first? Just tell me. Just tell me. Guys, I'm not in trade right now. I'm waiting for... I don't know who is going to be first. If it did OB right here on NQ first, I'm going to take NQ. Come on, just create OB. For us. From this OB, if it may create OB, but only if it creates... It's not trade idea because we don't have OB, right? We must get the closure below this level. I'm not in trade, guys, to consider this trade. Same for ES. Reaction from this fair value gap, momentum, entry. Nothing yet. No trades yet. Looking for this OB. I'm not going to chase. I'm going to wait for confirmation. No, 1 minute OB. Yes, it is. Who's going to be first? Yes, looks like. Yes, trying to give us reaction from this fair value gap. Let's see if I can trade something from here. I'm sorry, guys. Looking for entry on ES or NQ. Who is going to be first? Looks like ES is going to be better. Okay, looking entry on ES then. Going to extend this. Okay, adjusted contract. Most likely going to trade 2 minutes. So my entry will be based on this retest of this inversion, old inversion. Let's see. Where is stop loss at this point? 2 contracts, right? Okay. Not in yet. Looking for entry, like this momentum right now. We'll jump with market order most likely. Not in yet. I'm not going to chase, that's all I know. I'm sorry, guys. Not in yet. No trades yet, guys. Nothing to take yet. See? I'm not going to chase. Trying to hold this old inversion. Kind of nothing I like yet. No, I cannot see low risk trade. Guys, not trades taken yet. On ES. I mean on ES. On NQ still. Just switching on MNQ right now. This retracement up on NQ looks like we tested 2-minute bearish fair value gap. On 15-minute chart, nothing yet. Nothing yet. So. Come on. Not chase guys yet. Right now sitting looking on NQ. We'll take probably MNQ. Just created this OB. What's the risk at this point? 17 points, which is by the way not that much. Previous week high, it's 77 points away. Look at ES. ES right now is trying to test weekly open. Let's see, maybe I will take NQ. I'm looking for entry. How many contracts? Looking for this potential trade. Market is bullish. Look at ES. Yes, all we need for ES is just equal lows right here. And on NQ, I would like to see this. Looking for entry, guys. To trade this. Yes, nice move down. Great. Didn't take this trade on ES. But I wanted. Trade on NQ is still valid. Still kind of like it. So we just took this liquidity level right here. On NQ, my TP is going to be previous week high level, preferably to take New York Midnight Open. I like it, so let's see if it wants to play out. Looking for entry. Yeah, the test of this OB right now. I don't need to see higher. So if it doesn't want to break above 50%, I will take this short. Let me adjust my contract. Yeah. We'll trade 8 micros. Not in trade right now. I'm not in trade, guys, yet. Looking for entry. I'm sorry, guys. She's trying to hold this 50, below 50%, so I'm looking for entry. Kind of solid. Look at ES. Crazy. Just like, if, for example, it was kind of hard for me to try this, stop loss. But for like re-entry, too close to this equal lows, should take it. I'm not in trade. I'm not in, guys, yet. I'm about to enter the trade. Not in yet. Nope. Not trades yet. Okay, what I can see right now, let me delete some levels from here. Lots of drawings. Let me hide this to show you. So now it just created a 5-minute structure for us and 1 hour sweep. So this means, yeah, if it may create inversion right now, bearish inversion is going to be textbook setup for short. Look at this first standard deviation. First standard deviation lines up with equal highs. Okay. Not trades, guys, yet. I'm not going to chase. It's Monday, so no reason for this. Would like to see still this equal lows on ES. Not in trade yet. I would say the problem on ES right now is that I don't really need see lower than this equal lows. But once again, we will see. Let me move a little bit right here. So this equal lows. I want to keep my eyes on this level. It's 11, so yeah, but it was pretty much consolidation before, so yeah. I will sit here next 15 minutes. At least, like, I'm trying to be careful. I'm not going to chase. As I said before. We will see. So for this trade, I would like to wait for inversion, as I said before. Inversion. Let me delete some labels from here. It's so annoying. Just give me this setup. This is what I was talking about this morning. So we got 5-minute structure, we got hourly sweep, and not yet inversion. But if it wants to be inversion, it's going to be exactly what I was trying to explain you guys with this idea to trade. Not inversion yet. Guys, this short will become trade idea once we can get inversion. Once again, once we can get inversion, that's going to be trade idea. I hope we can drop from here, so I don't know, I cannot see the future. Even my crystal ball doesn't want to tell me. No, I'm not going to wait for tomorrow. I'm going to close the chart in 10 minutes. I even got alert, guys. See, I got 59 minutes to trade for today. Then I'm going to be done. So basically until like 12. This means I'm going to close the chart. I've already opened this around like 2 p.m. and that's pretty much it. Yeah, it gives me alert. So this tells me like, Dasha, stop working. It's time for lunch. Yeah, that's it. So if no setup before like 11:15, I'm going to be done. That's all I know. Honestly, I don't mind to see lower today. I need this equal low so bad. I was waiting for this inversion, as you can see, failed. So this inversion could offer short setup for us. And actually this play out from this old inversion right here. And I am in for this equal lows. That's pretty much it. That's not straight idea. In order to be this straight idea, we must have inversion. So let me, I guess, 1 minute fair value gap right now. But once again, it's a regular fair value gap. If it wants to be inversion, then it will become trade idea. Yes, come on, just take this equal lows and that's it. Sometimes it's, it's better to stay away than just chasing the move. I don't need to have trades every single day. See, failed to offer inversion. But crazy how NQ ES at this point failed to take equal lows. This big candles is based on T trades fractal model, but if you just want to have this high time frame candles, you can just type in this indicator section high time frame candles. Oops, not right here. Candles. And pick this one. That's it. Oh, by the way, I just noticed this. We just retested 4-hour open. Oh my god, why didn't I see this before? So from this manipulation level, for our manipulation, we trace back down to this 4-hour open. That was our TP number 1, as I said before. I just noticed this. I even highlighted this level, but forgot about this. It's no trade idea. Only inversion for a wall gap can be trade idea, in my opinion. Which is annoying is ES needs to take this equal lows, but it's still trying to reject from weekly open, new week opening gap. But all I know, once I close the chart, it's going to drop. It's like classic. So basically, equal lows in this sell side liquidity is important support levels. So if it, for example, wants to be bullish the rest of the day, it should react from here. But honestly, I didn't mind to see New York midnight open. So basically, when we have minor manipulation on, let me actually show you so it's easy to explain this. This is how I use stat map. If you guys use stat map, I would like to show you something. Don't pay attention to these lines. So basically, I'm going to hide this. Let's talk about 4-hour levels. So we got 4-hour open right here with minor manipulation, right? Is a small wick right here. Then it continue going higher. Where? To 4-hour open. 4-hour manipulation, bearish manipulation level. This means if it wants to retrace, but not reverse, it will retrace to this 4-hour open, but not lower. And then continue going higher. Where? Most likely to distribution level. But once again, because we have minor manipulation and we got reaction for our bearish manipulation level, but market still keeps being bullish. So it's still bullish, right? So zero signs of reversal, unfortunately, especially on 15-minute chart. We retrace back to this 4-hour open. See, once again, minor manipulation moved up to this bearish manipulation for our chart. So this basically is the range. So potential candle range. So for our manipulation, if it wants to be bearish candle, this means we'll drop to this 4-hour open. If it wants to be bullish, it doesn't mean like we need to drop to this 4-hour manipulation. If you already got minor manipulation right here, the test of 4-hour open, it just simply can continue going higher. For example, right here to this 4-hour distribution level, which right above this buy stops. So it just, if I just want to use stat map right here, it's trying to tell me that it's still trying to be bullish. But all I want to say, I'm happy I did not take any trades. Kind of hard to trade this. And on ES, kind of annoying that it doesn't want to take this equal lows. So no trades so far. And good job, Dash. I didn't take any trades right here. I did not trade on Thursday. I did not trade on... No, actually I traded Thursday or Friday. But it was PM session. Don't remember exactly. It was Friday, I guess. Yeah. But that's pretty much it. So no trades taken to the AM session at all. Yeah, probably I'm going to close top step peaks. It's already too late, guys, to trade for me. 3 more minutes and I'm going to be done for this session. Not sure what PM may offer, but once again, we always have tomorrow, so we don't need to take trades every single day. Yeah, wait for your setup, execute your setup. That's pretty much it. Yeah, it's pretty much inside consolidation since 10 a.m. So last 1 hour. So basically, what is my ideal setup? My ideal setup was, for example, we got hourly sweep, we got 5 minutes structure to short, and we got 1 minute inversion. But we never got this. So no trade right here. Or, for example, it could offer 15-minute sweep, 1 minute structure, 1 minute bearish OB. Offer it, run near liquidity level, reverse. So basically, if it wants to be like scalp trade, it play out. So I didn't take this. On ES, my ideal scenario was a reaction from this old inversion for a value gap right here. Once again, guys, I did not take any trades today. and run to this, to this equal lows right here, right here. So both trades failed so far. So that's pretty much it. So nothing more. Or twin setup. But for twin setup, we need to have 5-minute change in the state of delivery. We must have two 1-minute imbalances within this 5-minute change in the state of delivery. And then OT, in this OT, I would like to enter the trade. Also never happened. Even YM failed to take important liquidity level, which was equal lows from like last week. Never failed. Never took this trade, so failed. I'm not going to wait for anything right now. As I said, state map trying to suggest me continuation higher right now. Time for potential move lower already. That's it. So I expect to see potential move lower between 10 and 10:30. So it's already 11:15. No reason to anticipate something. That's it. Right now, I'm not going to take anything. I'm not going to expect anything as well. $15-minute pretty much bullish right now with the action from 15-minute fair value gap. Yeah. Yeah. It's time, guys. I'm going to be done for today. How many contracts usually trade for 50K challenge? Depends which instrument I trade for. In Q, for example, I trade like between 5 and 10 micros. For ES, I trade between like 1 to 3 minis. So because ES offers less risk trades. Maybe opening gap target. Okay. Once again, guys, if you just didn't see for some reason, my funded futures running sale right now for expert accounts. I got already some absolutely amazing promotion, in my opinion, 25%. So if you want to take it, go and take it for my funded futures. Also, Apex running 90% off today, and it's going to be end tomorrow. So if you want to take this 90% off, go and take it. So you still have time. Because if not mistaken, Apex is going to expire today. No, not today. Tomorrow, December 3rd. And my funded futures is valid for a couple of next days. Ever had any problems with Apex payouts? I heard lots of people had a problem with Apex. I never ever had any problems. But guys, 20 accounts, never ever had any problems. So if you want to get it, so I have, you can go to the description to this video and you will find links for this. If you would like to use my code, perfect, you can use my code. Okay, I trade with Apex last 2 years. So for the last 2 years, payout. But maybe it's just me, so I follow the rules, so I didn't have any problems. And no, never ever rejected my payouts. But I saw lots of people had the problem, but I'm lucky. Epics just pay out YouTuber and big traders. My question for you, how did they know that I am big trader or YouTuber, or I have lots of followers on my Twitter account? How? My real name is Dasha, but on Twitter I have different name, right? So the question. Well, guys, where from? From Belarus, but I live in the US. Okay, guys, that's pretty much it for today. I'm not going to trade anymore. I didn't take any trades, if you're just wondering. So, yeah, pretty much it for now. I'm not going to take, maybe I'm not going to take any trades during PM session. It's pretty much bullish right now. Stat map suggests continuation higher. Just trying to stay away. Well, guys, if any questions, you can ask me on Twitter or Instagram or in comment section. I'm going to answer, guys. So no trades once again. Thank you for watching my stream. I will see you tomorrow. Don't forget about like just subscribe to my channel, so hit the like button. See you tomorrow, guys, okay? Bye bye.